Dear students, in this video we'll discuss about class 8, okay, Oxford Learners Grammar and Composition, okay, check your progress too. So fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb given in the bracket. So here I asked my sister whether she wanted to come with me for our annual program. She said, okay, simple past, that she had some other work, okay. So here simple past of have is hard. Therefore I went alone. The weather in Kolkata is, okay, be verb is, am, are, was, were, okay, is, are, was, were, okay. So we have to use your, okay, is. The weather in Kolkata is hot and humid for most part of the year. We have a very brief winter. All of us living in the city eagerly wait for this brief respite from the heat. Last year we hardly had, okay, hard. Last year, this is simple past. Any winter, it lasted for only a couple of weeks. Simple past, okay, lasted. Then next here, identify the transitive and intransitive verbs in the following sentences, okay. Then also identify objects and complement for the last two sentences only. So here, he rang the bell, okay. He rang the bell. So rang is a transitive verb because there is a direct object bell. And quickly ran intransitive verb. Away before I opened the door. So opened is a transitive verb and the door this is direct object. Clear? Then next, Natasha plays. Okay, plays plays is a transitive verb because there is an object, the guitar. Okay, object. When her children go to the garden. So go is, this is intransitive verb. Then next, I was thrilled when I met my favorite author. So here I was, okay, was this is intransitive verb. When I met, this is met is a transitive verb because there is an object, my favorite author, okay. So this is direct object. Then next here, Ganesha seemed very tossed when you gave the memento to him. So here Ganesha seemed very tossed. So this is intransitive verb, tossed. When you gave, so gave is a transitive verb because there is an object, okay, memento, okay, this is object. The principal nominated Rina our class captain, okay. So principal nominated, so nominated is transitive verb because there is an object, Rina, okay, our class captain, this is object complement, okay, object complement. Clear? Then next here, according to the announcement, we must leave this place in half an hour. Okay, it is closing time. As it is closing time. Okay, here as it is closing time. According to the announcement, we must leave. So leave is a transitive verb because there is an object, this place, in half an hour. So in half an hour, this is complement. Okay. Then next year I would have loved to stay longer at the function, but I had to leave. So here I had loved. So loved is here transitive because there is an object to stay. Okay, to stay longer at the function. So function is okay. So at the function this is complement, but I had to leave. Clear? Then next year, identify the tenses of the highlighted verbs in the following sentences. So here, they have been playing. So have been playing, this is present perfect continuous, okay, present perfect continuous or progressive, okay. All of us went. So went is simple past, okay, went is simple past. Then next year, those 4 years of togetherness at a tender age, hard built past perfect. Then next year, though they moved out, okay, moved, simple past, okay, simple past. Then next year, 5 years back when Jahir was going, so past progressive, okay, past progressive. Was going through a particularly bad time in his career, all his friends joined. So joined is simple past. Then next, that has grown. Do you know has grown? This is present perfect. Okay, present perfect. He will soon have another. Do you know? Will have. This is simple future. Okay, simple future. The next, one of his friends will be taking. Okay, this is future progressive. Okay, future progressive. Clear? So here the answer. Okay, so you have to make it correct here. This is simple future. Okay, simple future. Okay. Then next here, fill in the blanks in the following sentences with appropriate modal auxiliary given in the bracket. So I dash you get what you deserve. I may. So this here is wish. Okay. Librarian, the one who leaves the library last, dash switch off the lights and fans before. This is confusion. Okay. So we have to use your must. You dash advice against. Okay. So shouldn't neglect your studies. Then next, you dash be in trouble if you don't mend your ways. Okay, future possibility. So we use will. You will be in trouble if you don't mend your ways. Host, ladies and gentlemen, our chief guest. Okay, formal announcement. So you will use your will. Now say a few words. Sita. So this is formal request with a high degree of politeness. So you can also use your could. Okay, so you can also use your could. Could can be more preferable than may. Okay, a famous actress. I am not sure. Okay, this is weak possibility, so we will use your might. Clear? Then next here, choose the correct modal auxiliaries from the given choice to replace the highlighted phrases in the following sentences. So here we have to come to my house. You have to come to my house tomorrow. So have to. Okay, you must come. Okay, do you have to write here? You must. Just you have to replace the word have to. You have to write must. The next, students are supposed to study in the evening and not watch TV. So students should. Okay, should study. So you have to replace this word. Okay, are supposed to. Which modal auxiliary should? Use your should. Okay, students should study. If I happen to go home early, do you want me to drop you home too? Okay, if I happen. Okay, so you can write here should. If I should go home early, do you want me to drop you go home too? The library is scheduled to close at 8 p.m. Is scheduled, will close. Okay, will close. The doctor strongly advised that you are supposed to eat at regular intervals. The doctor strongly advised that you ought to eat. Okay, you ought to. So you have to write. Okay. You have to replace this word are supposed. Okay, that you ought to eat. The train is going to be on time as usual. The train will be. Okay, will be on time. Just you have to replace this word is going to. Okay. Then next here, don't you want to have some more tea? Okay, you can write here won't. Okay, won't you want to have some tea? Then next here, identify phrases and clauses from the following list. All class 8 students with an interest in football. So this is a phrase. Students of this class should go to the playground after lunch. So this is clause. Please help. This is clause. 7 sweet shallows, phrase. Those 5 class 2 children in the last bench, phrase. 7 sweet shallows are sitting on the branch. This is a clause. 7 singing birds on the branch of the dead tree. This is phrase. Run and save yourself. So this is clause. Okay. Then next here, identify the main clause and dependent clause in the following sentences. So here, alas, the great leader who showed us the way is no more. You have to write here. Okay. you have to write here the great leader, okay, the great leader, okay, is no more. This is, you know, this is main clause, okay. So what is the dependent clause? Who showed, okay, who showed us the way, this is dependent clause, clear. So here the great leader is no more, this is main clause. Who showed us the way, this is dependent clause. Then next you can take the help or here of here, okay, of your partner if you like. So you can take the help of your partner, you know, this is main clause. If you like, this is dependent clause. Then next the principal will meet the students. So this is, you know, this is main clause, okay. After the meeting is over, this is dependent clause. Yesterday I met Sonia. So you know, this is main clause. Who is your sister's friend? This is dependent clause. The next year, Rakesh, who is a football player, is my neighbor. So you know, Rakesh is my neighbor, this is main clause. The next, who is a football player, this is dependent clause, okay. Then next here, make meaningful sentences by matching the clauses, okay. So you have to match here. So I have mentioned the numbering here, the numbers here, okay. So you have to match. If she has the time, okay, she teaches her sister. Will you go to school, okay, if it rains tomorrow? If they invite her formally, she will definitely attend the program. C. I shall not move an inch. So you know, unless you promise to help me. D. Had they informed us about the change in their plan? So here, okay, we should not have come here. So you know, here this is the last. We would not have come here. Then next here, identify the highlighted verbs as finite, infinitives, participles and gerunds. So here, she bought a smart pairs of jogging shoes. So you know, here bought is a finite verb and jogging, you know, this is gerund. Then next, both my brother and I, we are very happy to see those. So you know, to see, this is, okay, infinitive. This is, you know, 2 plus infinitive. My brother hates to get up early in the morning. So you know, hates, this is finite verb. To get, this is non-finite, or you can call it is infinitive. He pretends to sleep when we go to park. So you know, pretends is, you know, this is finite verb. To sleep, infinitive, okay. Go, you know, this is finite verb. Then next here, one day we decided to play. So decided, you know, this is finite verb. Then 2 plus, you know, to play, this is infinitive, 2 plus infinitive. Pretending that we had gone out, we hid under the stairs. Pretending, you know, this is gerund. Hid, you know, this is finite verb. As soon as the door closed, my brother got up from his fake sleep and came downstairs smiling. So got up, you know, this is finite verb. Came is also finite verb. Smiling, you know, this is participle. He sat on the sofa with a big mug of coffee, watching news on TV. So sat, you know, finite verb. Watching is participle. Then next, then we came out from our secret place and caught him red-handed. So came, you know, this is finite verb. Caught also finite verb. Okay. I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay. Thank you.